Traveling is a big and important part of my life. We try to have family vacations a couple of times a year and try to travel abroad.
So I like to travel. I like to travel for leisure, and I do travel for business also. And obviously when you're dealing with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis like I do, you need to plan ahead.
I do find planning helpful both for my body and for my sort of mental ease. I sometimes will put together a Crohn's kit. In my Crohn's kit, I have a change of clothes that is really lightweight and packs up really tiny. I have also some Kleenex and a couple of wet wipes. When I have my Crohn's kit, I liken it to sort of like carrying an umbrella, that if you have an umbrella with you, it might not rain. So that's generally been the case with me and Crohn's kits.
Tips that I would give to people is, know your airport. Know where the bathrooms are. When I get on a plane, I make sure that I'm sitting right near the bathroom. You may want to call the airline ahead and make arrangements, explain your situation to them. Just because of dealing with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis, I always get to the airport extra early to be able to use the bathroom before I have to go into security, so that if I have to stand in line for security, I'll be able to make it through the line.
It is also important to talk to your doctor about your ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease. Uses of Entyvio, Vedolizumab. Entyvio is a prescription medicine used in adults for the treatment of moderately to severely active ulcerative colitis, moderately to severely active Crohn's disease. Safety considerations. Do not receive Entyvio if you have had an allergic reaction to Entyvio or any of its ingredients. Infusion-related and serious allergic reactions can happen while you are receiving Entyvio or several hours after treatment. Entyvio may increase your risk of getting a serious infection. Please see important safety information during this video. Important safety information. Do not receive Entyvio if you have had an allergic reaction to Entyvio or any of its ingredients. Entyvio may cause serious side effects, including infusion-related and serious allergic reactions can happen while you are receiving Entyvio or several hours after treatment. You may need treatment if you have an allergic reaction. Tell your healthcare provider or get immediate medical help if you get any of these symptoms during or after an infusion of Entyvio: rash, itching, swelling of your lips, tongue, throat, or face, shortness of breath or trouble breathing, wheezing, dizziness, feeling hot, or palpitations, feel like your heart is racing. Entyvio may increase your risk of getting a serious infection. Before receiving and during treatment with Entyvio, tell your healthcare provider if you think you have an infection or symptoms of an infection, such as fever, chills, muscle aches, cough, shortness of breath, runny nose, sore throat, red or painful skin or sores on your body, tiredness, or pain during urination. People with weakened immune systems can get progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy, or PML, a rare, serious brain infection caused by a virus. Although unlikely while receiving Entyvio, a risk of PML cannot be ruled out. PML can result in death or severe disability. There is no known treatment, prevention, or cure for PML. Tell your healthcare provider right away if you have any of the following symptoms: confusion or problems thinking, loss of balance, change in the way you walk or talk, decreased strength or weakness on one side of the body, blurred vision, or loss of vision. Liver problems can happen in people who receive Entyvio. Tell your healthcare provider right away if you have any of the following symptoms: tiredness, loss of appetite, pain on the right side of your abdomen, dark urine, or yellowing of the skin and eyes, jaundice. The most common side effects of Entyvio include common cold, headache, joint pain, nausea, fever, infections of the nose and throat, tiredness, cough, bronchitis, flu, back pain, rash, itching, sinus infection, throat pain, and pain in extremities. These are not all the possible side effects of Entyvio. Call your healthcare provider for medical advice about side effects. Before receiving Entyvio, tell your healthcare provider about all of your medical conditions, including if you have or think you may have an infection or have infections that keep coming back, have liver problems, have tuberculosis, TB, or have been in close contact with someone with TB, have recently received or are scheduled to receive a vaccine, or if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, plan to become pregnant, or plan to breastfeed. Please see accompanying full prescribing information, including the medication guide for Entyvio at entyvio.com, and talk with your healthcare provider. You are encouraged to report negative side effects of prescription drugs to the FDA. Visit www.fda.gov/medwatch or call 1-800-FDA-1088.
I hope you enjoyed our tips and tricks for traveling, and thanks for watching.